In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy with QuickBooks Online. This integration is a powerful tool for small business owners who are looking to streamline their operations and keep all their financial data in one place. Now let's dive right into the steps. First, if you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to sign up. Just head over to QuickBooks and create an account. For those who already have a QuickBooks Online account, simply go ahead and click Sign In. It's as easy as entering your credentials and you're good to go. Once you've accessed your account, you'll see an option to continue. Just click on it and follow the prompt. The system may ask you to enter your password again for security reasons, so go ahead and do that and click Continue. You'll then need to select the company file you want to work with, so choose the appropriate file from the list. Next, direct your attention to the QuickBooks dashboard and locate the My Integrations tab. Clicking on this will guide you through to the next step, navigating to the Find Integrations section. It's very intuitive, but make sure to keep a lookout for it if you're doing this for the first time. In the Find Integrations section, there's a search bar where you can look up Etsy. Type it in and keep your eye out for the Etsy connector by Intuit. Once you find the Etsy connector, click on it. This step is crucial because it allows you to start the integration process. Continue by clicking on Get Integration Now. This begins your pathway to seamless connectivity between Etsy and QuickBooks. You're almost there. The system will prompt you to connect your accounts. Click on this option, and you'll be just one step away from finalizing the process. To finish linking these two platforms, you just need to click Continue. Then you will be asked to sign into your Etsy account. You'll do this by clicking on Sign In to continue. Make sure you have your Etsy credentials ready because you'll need them at this stage. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Etsy account to QuickBooks Online. With this integration, managing your Etsy sales and finances in QuickBooks becomes way smoother, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than juggling separate accounts. Remember, this connection helps automate your bookkeeping by syncing sales data, inventory updates, and more directly into QuickBooks. It's truly a game changer for anyone looking to get a better grip on their financial management. So enjoy the convenience of having all your information working seamlessly across platforms. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business tools. Have a great day.